Yeah.
Greetings and salutations. This is Strick with Peak Speed Lab 164, the place where gravity and mass meet friction, the ramp decides the results, and eventually who'll win. What do we have today? On the docket, next in line, I mentioned in a previous video, that I'm a Jeep guy. This happened to be the next one, the 20 Jeep Gladiator from 2020. Look, little motorcycles on the back. Really bright color. This is number 2 of 5 in the Truckin Along series. 4x4 and trucks ready to work or race. That's just the back. Not a lot of other info. And again, as with that Maserati, I do not see, there are no pictures of other vehicles in the series. So I don't know. Sometimes they have them on there and sometimes they don't. But that's okay. We're going to unbox this one right now. So here we go. We've got the next vehicle ready for unboxing, measurement, warm-ups, and testing. Blister pack time. Okay. Just got to be a little careful. There we go. Ooh, that's me just hitting the camera a little bit, but this is the Jeep Gladiator. See little motorcycles, motocross bikes there on the back, it looks like. As usual, we got the all-angle view, so you can kind of see some of this detail up close. Bright green color. Okay. I got to get the light just right to see where it was made. This one is, again, made in Malaysia. But look at those tires. It's going to be interesting to see if this bad boy will fit on the track. I'm assuming it's going to. Got the grill. So I've owned, my first Jeep was a Grand Cherokee back in the day. Grand Cherokee Limited. And then I had a Rubicon package, Jeep Wrangler Rubicon package for a while. And now I'm back to the Grand Cherokee. Just, I don't know what it is. They're comfortable to drive. At least the Grand Cherokees. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the Wranglers aren't the most comfortable, but they're super cool, and I love the community. So just a little bit of a side insight, if you will. I was trying to see if you can see a little bit inside the cabin here, but it's tough. All right, what do you say we get her measured up and in the database? And then I'll do that real quick. I'll do the heavy lifting as usual. Then we'll get her on the track, see how she performs. Who is ready for some Jeep fun? Okay, so I was surprised, but yeah, no problem fitting into the track. So this is the first run and the 20 laps for the warm-ups. And we'll see if the SUV here holds true with, so far, this is car number 15. 14 cars so far have been tested. All of them first run, fastest lap. So we'll see if it holds with this Jeep Gladiator. We're back, just finished up the 20 runs, warm-ups, and the fastest, as always, very first run, 1.8. It was really consistent for quite a while, and then the last two, well, really runs 18 and 19, just jumped up to 1.927 and then 1.934, but it had stayed within the like 1.8 to, as I'm looking at my notes, to the 1.904 range for most of these warm-up runs. And then these last couple, all of a sudden it jumped up. So we're going to see how the next 10 official runs go. And I don't know. It was odd. It seemed sluggish but consistent. But I kind of expected that because of the bulkiness. But I was still surprised at how nicely it actually fits into the tracks. So let's see how the 10 runs go. The Jeep Gladiator. This is lap 1 of the official 10. And we are off. Back down to 1.902. Time for lap 10, the final lap of the testing. She's running interestingly. I guess all of them do at this point. And so we'll see if let's see if she does anything unsurprising or surprising. Oh, okay. Time to enter the data and I don't know, see what the data tells us. But right now, there you go. That's what we're looking at. The last run was 1.918. So I'll write it there in spot number 10, but you can kind of see the progression. So we just finished wrapping it up with the Jeep Gladiator. This is the 2020 version or model from the Truckin Along. There we go, the Truckin Along piece. So I don't know if we really found anything overly interesting like with some of the other cars that we've tested, but it doesn't matter. We're building this database, and over time, I don't know. It's been fun to see the results, but over time, uh, we'll start gleaning better info, and then as we figure out where these vehicles fall, that'll make for some more interesting races and competitions tournaments down the road. So, but got to do the work of getting the info in there first, and I don't know. I really like this color of this Jeep. I think it's cool with the little motocross bikes there on the back. Whoop, there we go. How about I don't block it? There we go. Um, Performance wise, not bad. There were a couple of outlier results, but that's okay. We've got them captured in here, and yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I was expecting from this run. So that's why I'm a little off about it. But I guess it doesn't matter. The data is what the data is, and that's why we do it with data. All right, so let's wait no longer. Time to put this beauty, number 15. 15 on the pedestal so we can appreciate it, respect the folks who designed it, and enjoy it for its, automotive beauty. Let's see. Oh, how about this? Okay. Enjoy the enjoy the pedestal. Peace.